Ndewono, no. I humble Ifi Yokiche, the owner of Preserve Our Heritage, where our goal is to help you to speak and to understand the Igbo language. Today, I'm happy to continue the POH Student Spotlight series. Today's spotlight is on Gianna and Amor from New Jersey. Here she comes.
Ndewonu Mbadioma. Aham Bujana and Emwa, and I'm going to be telling you what I learned in my Level 2, Class 1 POH Igbo class. So the first thing we learned is that there are 8 udume, and those udume are A, E, I, U, O, and O. Udume means vowels in Igbo. We also learned that there are just 2 mirdume, which means pseudo-vowels, letters that look or sound like vowels, and those are mi and ni. We also learned that there are 19 mbochume. Mbochume means consonants in Igbo, and those are b, d, fi, gi, he, ji, ki, li, mi, ni, pi, ri, si, T, V, we, yi, and z. We also learned that there are 9 udampi. Udampi means digraphs in Igbo. Those are chi, shi, bui, gui, gi, pui, kui, ni, and nui. We also learned that there are just 4 Igbo diacritics. Those are I, N, O, and U. We also learned that there are 3 udolu. Udolu means tones in Igbo. Those udelu is high-pitched tone. Udala is low-pitched tone, and udansuda is middle-pitched tone. We also learned the concept of vowel dropping. Vowel dropping is when, let's say there are 2 vowels next to each other that are in 2 separate words. You take off the first vowel and put an apostrophe in place of that vowel, and you combine the 2 words and you have your full word, which means the same thing. As an example, we have na and ime. You take off the a and add an apostrophe there and combine the 2 words, nime, and that means inside. Dalu for watching. Kemesia!